Hello, this is the TVS Gold Pro which comes with Kaila white box switches. I recently bought this for 2700 rupees, but where in Amazon it is being sold as 3800 or more. Please stay with me to know how could I bought this for that much cheap price. This is how the Kalia white box switches looks like. And although there are many advantages of this, there are also some drawbacks. Not the drawbacks of this switch, but the overall keyboard, which I will also discuss. Now, why I chose this keyboard? Earlier I was using this Logitech keyboard, which I had bought around 2007-2008. And it worked for almost 13 years, but suddenly it didn't work and I had to find a replacement very quick. So for that I even bought a much smaller keyboard by Fontrek, but it was not usable, and I was already looking for mechanical keyboards, and there are many mechanical keyboards in India, mostly come with blue switches, and many are gaming keyboards, meaning they have RGB. But most of the time budget RGB gaming keyboards have a major flaw. Within 1 year, most of the time the RGBs gets burned. So I didn't bought any RGB gaming keyboards because I found that light could be distracting to me also. And another reason to get this TVS keyboard is the keypad format. If you will see, these two keyboards have the same format, the L-shaped enter key, the small backspace key, the numpad, the lights. This also one of the main reason that I chose this TVS keyboard after this, because I am so very accustomed to writing on this keyboard. And another reason to choose this TVS Gold Pro was the mechanical switches. There are many mechanical switches available like the brown, blue, grey, silver, jade, white, red, but in India mostly the blue, red and white and browns are common. Among the brand TVS, you will get few of their versions like the TVS Prime. It comes with red switches. Now if you are a gamer, then you might find red switches are better, that is if you can live without RGBs. And if you don't want any antimicrobial properties or waterproof, dustproof features, then the usual TVS Gold will do. TVS Gold has blue switches, and as you know, the TVS White Gold Pro has white switches. White switches are both dustproof and waterproof, and the body of this keyboard also is antimicrobial. That means it stops the bacteria growth also. TVS Gold, the usual version, is the most lowest priced. It contains the blue switches. Then comes the Prime version. It comes with red switches. And then comes the Bio. It also comes with blue switches. And then the Pro. Pro has the white switches. Now how could I bought this for only 2700, where on Amazon it comes around 3800 or more. I contacted TVS and then they told me about the dealers in my city, which is near Kolkata, and I contacted 2 dealers. After that I could get a deal on this keyboard. Otherwise you will not find this premium keyboard at low prices. And even speaking of premiums, if you are going to buy gaming keyboards with Kaila white box switches, it will cost around 7000 or 8000 rupees. But the TVS, which comes with no RGB, no special features or design, you can at least get this on around 3500 if you bought from Amazon. And if you bought from local dealers, you can bought it on much cheaper prices. I will share a link in the description from where you can get the contact of the TVS dealer. Now what are the drawbacks of the keyboard? Considering you are spending around 3000, the USB cable is average like any other 600-800 rupees keyboard or mouse. There are no braided cable, no gold plated USB, but still it's thicker and it works. And the keyboard itself is pretty large. You can, if you compare with the laptop and the drawing tab, you can see that it is very large. If you have a small desk or no space, then you might consider TKL keyboards or 60% keyboard which deducts the numpad, then it goes very short. And another drawback is, which I find, the right side of the keyboard, I think it kind of hollow. I can squeeze it and it makes some sound. You won't listen it on the video, but it does. It feels like it is hollow. Other than this, there are no drawbacks. And speaking about the size, the whole keyboard is around 16 to 17 inches in length, and if you compare with the 15.6 inch laptop, it is quite large. But if you are typing and you have a big desk, you won't have any issues. Rather, it will be very good for typing, which is my more primary use. And if you really want this white box switches, then you can get this keyboard. This is a very good keyboard for typing and usual daily tasks. For gaming, it might produce some problems because if you can hear, there are two sounds. One when the keycaps are going down and one is going up. So it might produce some problems if you are gaming with it. But otherwise, it is a very good keyboard. And I hope you have reached the end of the video. And thank you for watching.